So what image refer simply means is that a situation whereby you upload your picture to search for a certain result or something similar to the picture on Google, and you get a fantastic result. So how do you do that about on your phone? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So follow me. So the first thing you want to do is to you can head over to your Google Chrome on your phone, or if you have, you might have your Chrome browser on phone, like just like what you see on my screen right here. But nevertheless, if you don't have it in this way on your phone, you can go through Google browser. So what you need to do is to just click on your Google browser icon like this. So when you open up your when you click on your Google browser, it takes you right here. So you can see we still have the same results. So right here we have type search engine. Right here we have voice search right here, voice chat search, and then this camera icon here is has to do with image refers or image search for a certain product or for a certain information on Google. So we're going to click on here to do our image refers. So I'm going to click on here right now. So you must have the picture that you want to search for on your phone. Okay. All right, so it's going to open up this way, and one thing to things you can do with Google Lens image refers is that the first one here, you can search with your camera. So when you click on here, it open up your phone camera. You can snap the picture of whatever you want to search for on your with your camera directly. Okay. The other way around to do that is to pick the picture from your phone album. So it's going to present you, Google is going to present you with your images, things like this that you can see. So from here, you can pick on any of the images that you want to search for. Okay. All right. So let's from my phone album right here. I'm going to use this picture right here and to search for some detail about the picture. So I'm going to select the picture. So when you select the picture, it's going to, you can see looking for results right here. Now the result is out. Now there are different things you can do right here. When you see the result, then you can, it's going to capture the image that you want. You can easily adjust the area you want to crop out. You can adjust area you want your search to cover. So let me quickly scroll down, then we can scroll down right here and see something similar. This is one of the powerful tools on Google that allow you to track anything online. So if you take a look at some of these image right here, it's really similar to what I actually upload on Google. Now, if you don't want something similar like this, you want the details about the picture you upload. How do you do that? It's a very simple thing. One of the things you can do with this image right here is that you can translate the text on this image right here. You can translate this text to whatever language of your choice. So let's take a look. Let's make use of translate button right here. So having selected translate button, you are going to see the translate options at the top right here. You can translate from English to Chinese. You can easily translate from whatever language of your choice. So you can see when I choose which is already in the default English to Chinese, you see everything right here translates to Chinese character. So if you want all the text, what you need to do is to click on select all right here. So if I click on select all, so it's going to capture everything. Okay, it's going to capture everything and automatically change it to Chinese character, just like what you see right here. So if we scroll down, you're going to see everything right here. Okay, now you want to copy it. There are different options. So what you need to do is to just click on copy text. Okay, when you copy the text, it copy everything right here. So you want to change to from Chinese to another language. What you need to do is to click on here and choose whatever language of your choice. So let me click on the Chinese. We can decide to change this to from English to Arabic language. So I will select Arabic now. Then you're going to see that it's going to scan the whole page and it will automatically convert the JPEG from English language to Arabic language, just like what you see right here. You can see everything is in Arabic. So this is a very great tool that allow you to read anything or know any further information about an image using your Google Lens, or as far as image refers is concerned. So you want to select all the images, just click on select all. So selecting all, it means that you want the entire page to be converted from English to whatever language of your choice. Then right here, you can use this button to copy the text if you want to copy the text. So click on here to copy and paste it in whatever place of your choice that you would like to place it to. Okay, so let's quickly check on another tab as far as this is concerned. So this is a text tab. Text tab allow you to copy the exact text from the image. Okay, now when I select on text tab, so if I click on select all, okay, you're going to see the magic. So Google is going to scan everything on the image. Okay, then it's going to present us with a result. So for you to copy the text, just click on here. Just click on here to copy the text. Okay, so copy the text. You can paste it in anywhere. You can do whatever you want to do with the original text. So that is for text tab. So let's take a look at search tab right here. So if I click on search, all right, so under the search tab right here, we are on a search tab. So under the search tab, if I select it, and then it's going to give you results. So look at it. So this simply is telling you that this image is coming from youtube.com. You can see the original image right here, which is a video thumbnail. Okay, so you will see a similar things that you upload. Okay, so you can scroll down, you see all these things here are similar, but the originated of this image is from youtube.com. So if you click on the link right here, it will take you to see more details about it. Now for things about search, you can also try to crop some stuff out. Let's, for instance, you need only this page, only this place to be searched. What you need to do is to drag this button right here and this button down below here, and when you drag, and it crop out some information, and it will search you a right result of exactly the place that you want it to capture. Okay, so you can see it right here. You can scroll down, so you see it capture the only source of the image and leave out all the other information, and this similar was not present right here. So let's go back to the search tab results. So we can go back right here and give the Google Lens to give us the full details. So you're going to see it gives you more variety that is similar to the image. So this is how you can use the search tab on Google Lens. So let's take a look at the homework right here. Homework tab. All right, so after you select the homework tab, it gives you more details about the image that you upload. So one will be knowing that this is the original details. Okay, this is the original image that was uploaded on Google Lens. So you can see this is a video tutorial on how to buy from Pinduoduo without using agents. So these are the details of the video right here. It has been break down by Google. So for you to know detail about this stuff, you have to click on this link right here. Then it takes you to the particular video. Then you will also see something similar that are related to the image. As far as the topic is concerned, you will see all the a lot of articles that are related to the image about the topic. So you can see everything that relates to the image has been present both in article, in video, and in visual. So this is how homework it works. So let's take a look at the shopping right here. So we click on shopping tab. So having clicked on shopping tab, it gives you something similar that you can purchase online. So for instance, you can see all this link, all these people right here, they were freelancer. So which simply means that if you need something similar to that type of design that I upload on Google Lens, so you can click on any of the link right here. It will take you to their sales page, then you can make a purchase of this something like this. Okay, so you can take a look at places, dining, things like that. If it has to do with a geographical area image, it's going to give you an exactly place where the picture was taken. Google is going to do that, but because this image is just a screenshot of a video on YouTube, so that is why you are not seeing it right here. So if you take a look at the dinner, if it has to do with something editable stuff like that, maybe restaurant image or restaurant items, so it's going to scan it and give you the right information as far as the dining tab is concerned. You can see right here, it asks me to select a restaurant, but this image right here does not similar to restaurant stuff like that, and there is no need of me to do that. So let me quickly go back to place. So this is how you can eventually use Google Lens to search for whatever information you are looking for. You can use any picture of your choice. You can screenshot the picture. You can also snap the picture. You can copy the text from the picture, extract any information from the picture. You can convert from whatever language of your choice from the picture that you upload on Google Lens when you are doing image refresh on Google. So this is what I have for you as far as image refresh is concerned on Google using your phone, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to share this video to your loved one. For more tutorial like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.